in the middle of a dinner service or lunch service or whatever, problems happen, things happen. It's not the end of the world, it's just a small hiccup.
And it can totally still work out just fine. You know, okay, somebody has an allergen, no stone unturned. So we have to make this from scratch, and let's talk about making this from scratch. You know, we're taking out, there are ingredients that go into dishes that add a lot of flavor and that add body to it. And okay, so if I take this away from you, stop and think, what could we put in here in place that will create a flavorful, rich, complete dish or component of a dish? So it was a great exercise with this small group to let them come up with ideas of things that could be used, which if we came in and there was, you know, if there were 50 students, we couldn't have some of those one-on-one conversations and, you know, and break down the process of determining a recipe. And I think what's going to benefit them greatly is getting this head start on understanding what those allergens are and where they're hiding.
So now showing them as students though, and that the way the industry is gearing towards that, it makes them more aware of it. So when they are in the industry full-time as a professional, they'll already be aware of this, and it won't be a big deal when somebody comes in, hey, I can't have this. Well, they can easily adapt a dish to accommodate the guest. It was great having a smaller group of people so we could be more hands-on on the front end and explaining everything and showing them the process, but then having to step back and watching them do it all. It was great. They asked great questions too, not just questions. They were asked informed questions.
But they were also very proactive. It's a testament to the fantastic level of education they're getting and the caliber of instructors that they have, that they know, you know, okay, we're gonna, you know, if we're doing this task, what are the tools that I'm gonna need? What is the setup? What is the space we're gonna need? They're doing is hands-on. It's different from a lecture. It's different from a textbook. Those are the lessons that stick with me that I find serve me in the future. And I hope that...
Yeah, trial by fire is the best way to learn, and lessons that you don't often forget easily.